Hey Glam Fam, so today we're going to be doing this super holiday makeup look, and I'm super excited to be using the James Charles Morphe palette again, and we're going to be using some brighter colors with this look. And I'm just really excited, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe down below. It is that red button down there, and you click that, and then the bell notification on, and you will never miss another one of my videos, and you'll become a part of the Glam Fam. I also have a Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They are also at Beautybyjosiek, just like it's spelled here. And let's not ramble on, let's get into this tutorial. Alright guys, so I have my eyebrows done and my eyelids prepped. We use the MAC Soft Ochre paint pot, and we are going to dip right into this color right here, which I am so excited about. The red color right here. And we are going to start to pack that on to our crease. Alright, then we're going to go into this base yellowish tone, and we're going to blend that red out with that color. And then we're going to go into this shade right here and just deepen our crease. Alright, then I'm going to go in and cut my crease. We are going to be using the white from the palette and the green.
Sun is out here overseas. Dark emotions ever torn so deep, falling down through the clouds. I'm feeling you.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to go in with a itty bitty tiny brush and go in with that darker berry shade, this one right here, and we're gonna just line the cut crease with that shade. Let me go do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Alright, other eye done, and so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner, and we are going to trace just along the cut crease. Alright, foundation done, and I'm going to be going in with the NYX Epic Ink Liner, and we are going to do our wang. And then we're going to go in and smoke just a little bit of that green underneath our lash line. Alright, and then we're going to take a little bit of that white and just pop that underneath just to blend into that green on the inner parts of our eye. Alright, I'm gonna go do my lashes. I will be right back. Alright, everything done. We are gonna go into our lips. And for the lips, we're gonna stay nude. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills in Stripped. I use the Hoola bronzer and the Resi Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight. Alright guys, so that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe down below. You click the red button and then you click the bell notification on. Otherwise, you won't get any of the notifications that I am uploading, and you'll become a part of the Glam Fam when you do. I also have a Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They are also Beautybyjosiek, and I hope you guys will go follow me over there. And I guess I will see you guys in the next video. I love y'all. Bye!